is Sparta!
Bruh.
What's up, YouTube? And welcome to Cook with Fam YT.
Finally!
Now in today's video, we're gonna be making crepe or crepes, however you wanna pronounce it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, as some of y'all know, except for my new viewers, I can't be seen looking like a bum when cooking, and that's why I gotta change.
Number 1 victory royale, yeah, for oh about to get down. 10 kills on the board right now, just don't tell me.
Alright, I got the fit, and now we're ready to begin. Wait, actually I think I'm forgetting something, or someone.
Oh my god!
Sorry, Crépes fans, I haven't been in the recent videos, but let's begin.
First, I'm gonna need my book of knowledge. To begin, you're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Yes, yeah. Alright, you grab it. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, right? So we got the salt here. 1 1/4 cup of milk.
Oh,
We have.
we didn't bring it out of the refrigerator.
You don't need to go get it. Wanna know why? Because I'm a magician. 1, 2, 3.
Bruh.
See, I know magic. Alright, so you're gonna need milk.
Okay,
You're gonna need some butter. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of that. You're gonna need some cooking oil,
vegetable oil.
vegetable oil. You're gonna need vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. And then for the options, you just hit yourself with the glass.
No, you're forgetting your huevos,
The huevos, oh yeah.
the eggs.
2 eggs. You need
Have you
nice
seen
eggs.
how expensive the eggs are? So you better not drop these.
Kobe!
Alright, so for the optional toppings, what you're gonna need is strawberry syrup,
Sir.
some
Yes,
chocolate
sir.
syrup,
Yes,
La lechera.
yeah, and some Nutella. We're gonna use strawberries, right? You can use blueberries, you can use whatever you feel like.
Powdered sugar.
Some powdered sugar. Alright, so to clean the strawberries, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Here's
Yeah,
Mr.
boy.
Rocco. But, so you're gonna put the strawberries in there, and you're just gonna rinse them. You're gonna clean them, alright?
So for the dried ingredients, we're gonna need 1 cup of flour,
Alright. 1 cup. Alright, and then you're gonna need 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
also 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Alright. We'll not make a mess of sugar.
Bruh.
The ants are gonna eat us.
Nah. It's not even summer. Alright, so then you're just gonna whisk. You're gonna whisk, 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 whisk. I'm pretty sure you said that in one video. You were like, whisk, whisk, whisk.
Yes. You're gonna need 1 1/4 cup of milk. You're gonna need 2 huevos.
Alright.
Another one.
Yes.
You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now you're gonna whisk, 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 whisk.
Alright, so we're gonna need some teamwork here. So I'm gonna grab the milk mixture, and then we're gonna put it slowly in the mix. Right?
Please, child, okay?
Tell me if I start putting too much.
Now what we're gonna do is gonna whisk, and we're gonna take all the bubbles. And if you're a vanilla lover and you want to add a little more vanilla to it, feel free.
Yeah, just, don't put the full bottle.
Yeah. Poco.
That's something I would do.
So your mixture should look like this. You can use vegetable oil or spray. I like to use the spray. I probably don't have it. Josh, why didn't you tell me what to market?
Alright, so we found just a little bit of vegetable oil, like somewhere deep in the pantry, right there. Alright, so we're gonna redo it. So you're gonna use 1/3 of a cup. And now we have less butter, so it shouldn't become wet. But make sure you even it out, so it's like a circle. Now you let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat. Alright, so we let it cook for about 1 minute. So now we're gonna flip it. Oh, that looks so much better. That looks way better. We used way too much butter. Make sure you cut your strawberries and be careful. As y'all already know, I'm not trusted with the knife yet.
Nope.
You're gonna need whipping cream, and you're gonna get a scoop of that bad boy.
And that's what's gonna go in your topping.
Yep. Alright, so for the toppings, we chose these things, but you can choose whatever.
Yeah. Get this, Ricky.
oil out my face. So what you're gonna need, whipping cream, Nutella, and you're gonna spread it on the crepe. And then here's our second option. So now you're gonna add the strawberries.
On top. So now you have your strawberries in there. You're gonna fold it, and you're gonna fold it, and now strawberries.
Chocolate. Guys, okay, this cannot be leaked to my boxing gym. I swear I'm not eating this like all. Alright, I'm only gonna take a bite.
George, he's not watching right now.
Cha-cha, what is it?
Lechera, fool.
Ah, there's so many Alright, fine. No, my job. What are you doing?
And
then you're gonna add the powdered sugar as the last.
check.
Alright, so this is the taste test. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's exquisite.
This is, it's gone. Look. Damn! Huh?
Wait.
Bruh.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching
Thank you.
and subscribing. You know, click that button. And I'm sorry on my part for taking 3 months. And hopefully we'll get some videos out quicker, right? But drop a like for another video. And comment if you want any recipes.
Yes, and we'll be more than willing to try to do them.
Peace.
Thank you.